to easypeasyart.com. Today I am making meringue. Now I have been making meringue since I was like 10 years old, so it's been a long time. And I recently decided to try with a whole lot less sugar than I used to use. And I made a batch the other day. Man, they were the best meringues I've ever had. So here goes. 3 egg whites. Oh, the only important thing is, definitely if no egg yolk into the egg whites. If you get egg yolk, the white isn't going to beat enough. Doesn't matter about the temperature of the egg. I like to take them straight out the fridge sometimes, whatever. It doesn't make any difference. The only two things you have to do is watch out for the egg yolk. Just get that out there for a second. Know your egg yolk, and you got to use a metal bowl and metal mixer thingies, and they're very clean. If there's any grease or oil, sometimes it won't beat up at all. You get a bit of oil in it. Sometimes you can get away with a bit of egg yolk, but it's risky. There we go. Then you're going to beat like crazy until it is really stiff and dry. You see how it's bubbling on the side here? It's so hard to see. You'll see it's quite big bubbles. You don't want to stop yet. Even though it is stiff, it's not dry. I don't know if you can see that. It's not dry yet. You need to really beat it until it's dry. That's what you want it looking like. Just going to add a little bit of salt. This is half a teaspoon of artificial vanilla extract. You can use real vanilla extract. And that was it. You don't need cream of tartar. Beat that up again, and then you're going to add very slowly half a cup of sugar to 3 egg whites. Down the sides a little bit. Let it beat for a good minute to let the sugar dissolve just a bit. I use the sugar here in Canada is quite a fine grained sugar. It's almost like a South African caster sugar. So you you end up with a nice thick creamy mixture. You wait for the shine to disappear. I don't know how else to explain it. Actually, what I'm going to do one more time, because I see there's a bit of sugar on the side here still. Give it one more little mix up. I know why my cat is meowing. He absolutely loves beaten cream, and he thinks I'm beating cream. No, there's no cream. Stop it. You then take a baking tray and just line it with not greaseproof paper, parchment paper. You can put it in a piping bag. I just like to put it on put blobs on like that. I put them in the oven at 220 for 3/4 of an hour. But all ovens vary, so do watch them for the first sort of half an hour, because if your oven's just a little bit higher, they might kind of get brown too quickly. Mine took about an hour and a half this time. It depends on what sort of sea level you're at your oven. So just keep an eye on them, and in the beginning you think they're sticky inside, but they're actually not. You know, once they've cooled, if you take it out the oven, let it cool for a few seconds, you'll see it'll be crispy inside. I don't know if you can hear the crunch. Crunch. That is all crispy inside. Oh, 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 just delicious. I like to eat them with a bit of cream, or a bit of cream and fresh fruit, strawberries, just delicious. You can also make like little, if you use a piping bag. I do find using a piping bag you lose a bit of the fluff. You can make like little dishes where you put the fruit and cream inside. And then I put them in a airtight container. They don't usually last that long though, because when I start eating them I can't stop. Take care everyone. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.